Thank you so much, Navneet sir, for your guidance and support. I'm from Meghalaya, Shillong, and I had a gap of 2 years after my graduation, and I did not know where to start from. Your videos were the one which give me some a guidance to start. Firstly, I was just following your videos. Then I got to know that you were giving classes. So I joined your classes, and then I started my preparations. I was traveling throughout, but due to the videos that you posted and everything, I could study wherever I was. So being a student from Meghalaya, there is like not so much competitive nature where we see in different other parts of India. Here we are taught sincerely, but the way sir has taught us, like the way he presents certain facts and all that relating to the exams, the way he prepares us for the exam is really brilliant. The way he explains the facts, mnemonics and all that. So thank you so much, sir.